morning, guys. Si Jan nakapag-grocery na naman siya ng coffee niya. Kagabi hindi ko na na-close ata yung vlog. Kasi naubusan tayo ng memory, guys. So today is July 4, Monday. So nag-post na yan si Jan and may pinabili rin ako sa kanya. Ayan, what are you having for breakfast, Beth? Crumpets. Ayan, bumili rin siya ng crumpets. Si Kuya tsaka si Holly tulog pa. Maaga pa kasi, guys. Ay, hindi na pala. 8:39 na. Ako nasa bed pa. Si Kuya, tingnan niyo yung blanket ni Kuya. Nasa ano na. Lapag na.
Another one? So you're having 4?
Oh, you only want one?
Yeah. We've got 3 more.
You have to get something else.
What?
Father.
Did you get me? Did you get my butter?
Who's got this?
That's mine. Yeah, you already went to the butter area, hon.
No, I thought of it, then you just distracted me.
Why did I distract you?
Butter, go and get some butter, and then I'll...
Good morning, guys. Si Jan nakapag-grocery na naman siya ng coffee niya. Kagabi hindi ko na na-close ata yung vlog. Kasi naubusan tayo ng memory, guys. So today is July 4, Monday. So nag-post na yan si Jan and may pinabili rin ako sa kanya. Ayan, what are you having for breakfast, Beth? Crumpets. Ayan, bumili rin siya ng crumpets. Si Kuya tsaka si Holly tulog pa. Maaga pa kasi, guys. Ay, hindi na pala. 8:39 na. Ako nasa bed pa. Si Kuya, tingnan niyo yung blanket ni Kuya. Nasa ano na. Lapag na.
Another one? So you're having 4?
Oh, you only want one?
Yeah. We've got 3 more.
You have to get something else.
What?
Father.
Did you get me? Did you get my butter?
Who's got this?
That's mine. Yeah, you already went to the butter area, hon.
No, I thought of it, then you just distracted me.
Why did I distract you?
Butter, go and get some butter, and then I'll...
Yeah.
What?
I think the main wine steak and all.
I think so, yeah.
I'll go back there and get it. Vegemite.
Vegemite daw suck. We still have a lot of cheese there, but... ang ganda ng...
Is the Vegemite in the fridge or here?
There, Han.
Where?
Pantry.
Where?
Oh, wait. Ganda ng araw. Maaraw ngayon. Okay. Si Johnny Boy ang gumagawa ulit ng breakfast kahapon tsaka today. What are you doing, babe?
Looking at stuff.
Like what? Leaking?
There's a black thing here.
Siya na talaga. Grabe siya mag-check. Yung eto, yung nag-leak dyan, naayos ni Jan kasi yung dito, di ba lakas ng ulan, meron daw dyan na parang na-stuck na tubig na pabilog. So, ang ginawa ni Jan, pinagano niya yung caravan. So, nag-drain yung tubig pababa. Then, hindi na siya pumasok dyan. Oh my God, and your belly is so big, babe.
Oh, it just went like that.
So big, no, babe. This holiday is really make What are you talking about? Chunky.
Thank you.
Amoy niya na naman. Why you always smell sa akin? Inaamoy niya lagi ang kahit anong pagkain.
Dad, you know you can break these 2 in half?
Yes. In the middle. Ayan, sila muna yung dalawa kong anak. Tulog pa po. What's the plan today, Han? Any plans?
Yep.
Where are we going today?
Well, I would like to have a look at the surf shops.
Again?
Well, there's two of them saying I found a track.
Just go surf. Okay, last surf again, guys. Shopping ulit si Johnny Boy. Si Johnny Boy na talaga ang shopaholic. Ayun, gigisingin niya na ang daughter niya. Breakfast muna silang guys. So, shopping ulit kami mamaya. Paano ba yan, guys? Siya na naman ang magsha-shopping.
Alabama?
Ayun, si Sa.
Ha?
Gigising niya si Hong. Tapos tinatanong niya kung anong breakfast. Tapos na sila ni Daddy. Si Kuya naman, tsaka si Holly. Easy breakfast. And bumili rin si Jana Beffa Thin. Yes. Yung cream kasi nga, yung mga meron kami dyan, pero maganda kasi yan na cream. Ayan si Kuya. Kasi alam niyo naman mga bata, ang aking mga bata dito ay mga mga active sa outdoor, kaya ayan, madaming mga tama. Si Holly meron din sa basta dami nila. Si Kuya, did you have any cuts or scratch anywhere so far? Do you?
I did fall over.
You did? Si Sak. Dami si Sak eh. Itong madami si Max, si Ivy, grabe din. Mayroon si Ivy kahapon.
I've got nothing.
You got nothing, well. Si Kuya kasi, very careful. Yung dalawa, Diyos ko, si Sak tsaka si Holly, ang maraming souvenir dito sa bakasyon namin, dito sa Yamba. First night pa lang si Holly, ayun. Hindi niya sa akin pinakita, nakita ko the next day na eh. Kasi si Jan ang gumamot. Kasi hindi ko, nasa kitchen yata kami nung nagluluto kami ni Brody. Si Kuya and Sak, they're going to? Alis na naman sila. Ganun lang ang life ng mga bata. How about Mom? See you, Mom? Not just see you, Dad? Okay, just be careful.
Hey, Jai.
Kuya, your bed. Checkpoint. Si Hol, imimit na lang siya doon ni Sak. Yan dapat ang routine nila eh. Fix your bed before you go. Ayan si Hol. What's wrong, Baba? Come out. Come on.
What's that, Ben?
Yes, babe. Ang talas ng mata niya sa mga mga... Oh, is it? Tapon niya na. Hi, good. Oh, your belly covering Holy Vibe. Oh, where are you, Baba? Come out. Good morning. Si Daddy nag-fix ng bed niya. Why did you fix your bed? Yeah. Your baby. Say good morning, people. Ay, binuksan na ni John yung yung sa ceiling. Udyat na yan na bumangon na raw ako. We eat breakfast now?
And baby.
And baby. Ang cute niyan. Where we get that from?
Smiggles. Because, hang on, where was it?
Go, you go, Baba, go. Go there now, eat now.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy. So, sige na, mamaya na lang, guys. What are you having? Vegemite, Baba? Peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that towel dry now, Han?
Yeah.
Okay. Tignan nyo na yung mga basura dito sa caravan. What's that one? What's that one, Han, on the chair? Socks?
Holly.
Holly, that's your socks?
They know it's my brother.
Okay.
Bottle of brown.
Tapos na siya mag-breakfast and what are you playing with Daddy? Oo. Nanalo si Holly. Nung isang araw din, ganyan din sila. Anong maulan.
We tend to fall together, fall in love, and still in the end we'll fall apart.
Dito pa rin, guys.
So there's hope is that we stay close.
Ang galing yun,
It's
maglaro
the
ng
life
yun,
that
no?
we chose. It
Marunong
takes
talaga. Hindi
time
lang
to
yung
get
nag-ano
it
siya.
right. Sleepless days and nights.
Hindi
We
lang yung
just need a
naglalabas siya,
little
nagtatapos siya lang. Kasi nag-iisip din talaga siya.
Just a little time for you and I.
Ilang beses niya natatalo ang daddy niya.
Stay
Iba
a
tayo.
bit longer. Just a little time for you and I. Until it's over. Just a little time.
Yung popcorn bucket, linagay niya yung maliliit niyang toys dyan. Ayan pala, pwedeng ganyan.
I think that we got blinded, 'cause when it's good, it's great. So we can't see we're fading away. So there's hope is that we stay close.
Iniisip siya.
But it's the life that we chose. It takes time to get it right.
What?
Sleepless days and nights. We just need a little more.
Oh,
Just a
no,
little
baba.
time for you
Dito
and
na yung
I.
boy.
So stay a bit longer. Just a little time for you and
Cool.
I. Until it's over.
What you gonna
Just a
do?
little time.
Yeah. Gusto niya mag-billiard. Yeah, outdoor during the day.
Just a little time.
Kagabi, pumunta sila, nag-billiard sila, pero yun nga, naubusan tayong SD memory. That's right. Yep. Who won, Baba? One each.
Like the edge of it.
You jinxed
But he done
me.
that one and then he just done the other side.
Di ba sabi ko siya lang yung hindi nahulog? Tingnan mo, dami ng galos pag uwi.
You did. You
Come
shouldn't
on.
have never
Because
said
you said
that.
to him, "Oh, have you fallen over?" Nah, and then when it happens, that's just life.
Sabi ko sa inyo, so ngayon tuloy, tingnan mo na siya. Ilang beses na raw siya na, dyan lang. Hindi sa scooter ha, dyan lang. Naglalakad lang siya. Labas tayo, guys. Kausap ko yung aking sisi. Labas tayo kasi yung mga bata nag-golf. And mamaya, alis tayo, guys. Naka-ano na tayo. Nakapag-blower na ako. Nandito sila, oh. Hi, Babang! Ayan, si Holly. Kanina nandun siya sa giraffe. Insert ko, pinicturean siya ni Johnny Boy. Si Johnny Boy, nag-golf dito. Mini-golf. Kapit-bahay lang natin si mini-golf. Ayan tayo. Ayan yung mini-golf. Ayan yung ating caravan. Ayan yung pool. Hindi tayo ngayon maglalaba.
Mommy, I went on 61.
You're done?
I was 61. Mom.
Tapos na si Sak mag-golf. Andun si...
You're in 63. I was this is what it's called.
Nga, giraffe? Andyan din si Ivy. Kuya. Tapos na si Sak tsaka si Max. Hindi sila ngayon nag-golf. Nag-mini-golf na lang muna sila. Kasi halos araw-araw sila nag-golf eh. So, eto. Bumili si Jan kasi magawa tayong dessert. Hopefully. Naka-ano pa tayo. PJs yung aking pambaba. Mamaya na lang ako makapalit ng leggings. Pero naano ko na yung buhok ko. Na-blower na siya.
And nagpabili ako ng self-raising flour para sa ating dessert later on. And bumili si Jen ng donuts, another donuts. Feeling ko hindi talaga kakasya dito yung gagawin kong dessert. Pero itong nabili niya eh. Ngayon kayo tayong brioche. Itong breakfast ko. Itong breakfast natin. Yung ating breakfast. Meron siyang cream cheese and butter and eto. Fruit box. Apple. Okay. Kain tayo guys. Harap talaga. Alis tayo guys. Lagay ko kayo dito. Ito, ayusin natin yung suot ko. Medyo malamig. Ito lang sana yung susuotin ko pero paglabas ko malamig. Tumatagos. So sabi ko mag-coat tayo. So yan yung suit natin. Leggings na gray. And tada! Tapos itong white na mayroong color. So yan. Hinintay. So ngayon hindi ako nang mamadali. So nakapagkilay tayo. Kahit pa paano. Kasi may hinintay pa natin yung ating ibang kasama. Ito sana itim. Pero sabi ko, ito na lang. Okay. Nagbago yung isip ko guys. Ito na lang. Kasi sabi ni Jen, maglalakad daw kami sa Main Street. So kung mag-change na lang ako, ito na lang. Kasi ito parang bagi-bagi lang ba. O, sana yung isa. So, Korean din to guys. Ayan, di ba? Relax lang. May bulsa. Ayan si Sak. Okay, halis na siguro tayo. Siya po ang pumili niyan. Yung kanyang outfit. Meron siyang iba-ibang kulay ang damit niya. Pati ribbon niya. Siya din po. Oh, you're coming with us, yeah?
I'm not walking.
Kasi yung isang family mag-walk, si Sak ang sumabay sa kanila. Di ba nag-walking tayo before? Doon. Tapos, kunti na lang, ano na yun, town na ng Yamba. Sabi niya dyan, I'm not gonna walk. Kasi medyo medyo malamig din and yung car kailangan ma-dry kasi di ba ilang araw nag-uulan. So yung car natin basa. So sabi ni Jan, this is a good to dry the car. Mag-drive tayo. For Zach, may shopping naman guys. Si Johnny Boy. Yung lolo. Dito oh. Saan yun na lang yan may kita sa vlog. Basta may isang bag na naman siyang dala. So punta tayo dito sa Yamba Surf Center. Ayan. Dito siya. Okay, let's go. Pasok tayo dito. Nakaboots tayo guys. Ayan. Bilabong. Sak, Daddy got you something, I think. Fluffy one.
Yeah, no, that gray.
Yeah. Ah, you was there.
Dad, Mom, look.
Mm.
Look at these cute blue.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. Slippers. Meron ka na yan? It's freezing. Oh, wetsuit, oh. Pero mas maganda yung nakuha ni Holly. Ang cute ng kulay nun. Cute ng kulay na nakuha ni Holly yung wetsuit. Ala, ano ba yan? Full price. Walang sale dito guys kahit winter. Dito sa area to kasi surfing area. So everyday kahit winter nagso-surfing sila and eto, naka-swimsuit ang mga ibang tao kahit ang lamig-lamig. Yung iba naka-wetsuit or yan. Dito na si Jan.
Yeah. Oh, it's so much.
Anti-cold, anti-wind, anti-rain hand. This jacket, Bab. Bab. Anti-cold, anti-wind, anti-rain. Anti-series. Huh? Siya na talaga ang shopping galore sa holiday namin.
Yeah, it's down there.
Do you need to put your wallet here, huh? In my bag. You alright?
Yeah.
Ganap siya ng trackies. That's alright. What size?
Thank you.
Why? What size are you now? 30.
Usually large and large.
Ah, yeah. 33, I think, your size bag.
No, that's
33. Nawawala yung wetsuit ni Kuya. So, hindi namin nadala yung wetsuit niya. Kasi hindi alam kung saan nilagay. Pero yung kay Sak nahanap namin. Tsaka kay Holly. Yung sa kanya, hindi namin talaga mahanap. Yeah. Ito yung... Ito ang tulad kay Kuya. Size 8. Pero ano siya? 10. So, ito katulad nung nawawala niyang wetsuit. Yes. Come on. Nandito si Jennifer nagsusukat. So, yan yung ating suot for today.
Can I get these songs?
Not sure. I'll ask Daddy.
Can I get these songs?
Yeah. No, malaki yung sinukat ni Jan. Si Sak gustong kumuha ng socks.
Mom, it's freezing.
I know it's freezing. So, medyas lang yung nakuha dito. It's up to you. Just one? Alright. Oh, wow. Namahalan siya sa $20. So, ibabalik niya yung isa. Nagbabayad lang si Jan doon, tsaka si Sak. Ang cute dito, guys. Oh. Pang baby. This is for babies. Wala naman tayong babies. Wala, nakita lang ako ng mga ano, yung mga kulay baong. Ganyan. Cute-cute lang. Amoy babies. Ay, may ganyan si Holly. May ganyan si Holly before. Ang cute ng bike. Oh, yun oh, ang cute-cute. Maliit lang siyang ano, guys, town. Maliit lang, pero harap-harapan yung mga shops. Tsaka magaganda rin yung shops nila. Kahit maliliit, magaganda yung mga paninda. Kaya, ano, maharlika siya. Maharlika. Ang daming dogs dito. Kanina meron ding 3 dogs na nag-walking kasama ang mga amo. Tingnan niyo si Max at si Holly.
Teacher, help up.
Come on. My hammock. Ayan oh, the corner store. Ang cute din oh. Ang cute ng duyan oh, hammock. Oy. Cross tayo dito. Cute din ang shop na to, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo oh. Yan, cafe. Kahit maliliit lang na shop, ang gaganda ng mga paninda nila oh. Pastel colors oh. Diba? Ang kaganda. Sale. Andun yung mga kasama natin. Yung kasama natin. Ano to? Oh, what's the fish and chips? Ah. That's nice. Yambas. Ayan, Yamba. Ice creamery. Oh, tingnan nyo oh. Oh, diba? Another shop, guys. Oh, Tuta Look Clothing. Ang cute din, oh. Kasi yung mga kasama ko andun, ang bibilis. Kasi wala silang titingnan doon. Ayun, oh, tingnan na lang natin dito sa salamin. Ayan, ang kaganda. Ayan, oh. Ay, gusto kong pasukin yon kasi yung aking mga kasama andun. Ayan, tingnan nyo yan, oh. Maliit na shop din siya. That looks nice there too, Han. Ang gusto ko. What's the? Huh? What's that?
That one.
Yeah.
Girl.
Wow, ang cute din, oh. Wala lang. Ano lang, silip lang tayo. Ayan. Ayan, silip lang. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Wala lang, silip lang kasi yung ating mga kasama hindi interesado doon. Real estate. Plano bumili ng bahay dito. Hindi, joke lang. Tingin-tingin lang. Mga bahay.
50 acres. 50 acres.
Sold. 50 acres. Ayun, ang laki ng bahay. Oh.
Wow.
Sold na, sold. Ang dami nang na-sold. Meron doon na bake house sa kabila. Ayan, another shop. Oh. Ayan, oh, shop po doon. Oh, shop. All the way the...
What are you?
Pumasok lang ako dito, guys. Ayan, wala naman. Tingin lang ba? Ayan, pasok din siya. Ayan, country ano siya. Pero... gusto ko umbrella.
Are we going to fish and
How much kaya nga? Kaso for sure, magdi-disagree si Johnny Boy. Gusto ko to sa ano, doon sa labas namin. Sa labas. Mag-picnic ba sa labas, guys? Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Magkano kaya? Ay, yung aking mga kasama, guys, iniwan na tayo. Walang tag. Ay, gusto ko siya. Ayan, meron din dito ibang kulay, oh. For sure si Jan. Sabi niya, no, walang price. Where are we going?
I'll get some fish and chips.
Gonna get the car? Kasi tayo, hindi tayo naglakad. Kunin natin yung car.
Cause I think